Welcome back to Academia. This episode will be a continuation of school settings. First, log into your admin dashboard. Once on the dashboard, on your left side menu, scroll to the bottom and select Settings menu. Under Settings submenus, we'll continue to the second one, Translations. Here, you will find a list of available languages in the system, and a provision to add a new language on your top right side on the Language List section. You can turn on or off any language just by selecting the on or off buttons just after the language flag icon. To change the language display name, select the Rename button and change the name to your desired one, then add a flag image and save. To make changes to the wordings in the preferred language, select the Edit Word button. Here, all words and phrases used in the language can be seen. To make changes, you can search the word directly in the search section on your top right area or scroll down and find it manually and make the desired changes to the word or phrase and save at the bottom. Job submenu. Here is where you will get your cron job commands to add to your server. First, you will generate the API key at the top. Then you can now copy the 3 auto-generated commands provided and paste them in the cron job section in your server. If you have no access to your server or have limited knowledge on the setup, contact your server admin to set it up for you. Next, we will move to the System Student Field submenu. Here, under Admission Field List section, you will see a list of fields that apply to the admission requirements. On your right, to activate the option and make it required one or not, just select the checkboxes and hit the Save button below. Next, go to Profile Field List that is next to the Admission Field List. Here, you will also see a list of applicable fields in the profile form. To activate and make it a required option, select the checkboxes next to the desired options and hit the Save button below to save your selections. Next, we'll go to Custom Field submenu under Settings. Here, under Custom Field List, you will see all your saved requirements. To make the custom fields, go to Add Custom Field section. You will fill the form first by selecting whom the field belongs to, either student, employee, or parent. Next, you will give the field a name. Next, you will select the type field you want to create. Either text field, text area, select email, date, checkbox, or numeric. Next, you will select the grid, bootstrap column, from the provided. Next, you will add the order in which you require the field to be. Next, you will add the default value. Next, to enable or disable the options this field is required, show on table and active, just use the checkboxes provided. Once you are done and satisfied with your selections, hit Save to save the custom field. Lastly, we'll go to User Log and Log submenu under Settings. Here, you are able to view the logs of all staff, students, and parents who access the platform, getting their user roles, IP address used to access the platform, the browser used, login date time, and the operating system used. That brings us to the end of the video that completes the settings menu with all its submenus. Once again, thank you for taking the time to let us take you through the platform. Don't forget to subscribe so you can be notified whenever we upload content, like and comment.